What up, YouTube? What up, music lovers? And God bless all the one that we dey put on together. But make sure say Salon Music dey na the map. Well, I get a shocking news for you where we all go happy about. We own brother, we cousin, the hip hop king na Africa, when a Cowden ambassador King Cowdenero. They don't nominate him for one award where they host in America 2020, this 2021. All the way na Ibo, America. Well, Caldenero they nominate him as best hip hop or rap artist in Africa. Do ya? I know say a lot of people in the find it very difficult how to vote. Well, make I give una the tips how to follow the instruction for vote. First thing, the award name na AEA dot net. You understand? 2021. If you use Android phone, smartphone, or whatever phone you use or your laptop, just type aeausa.net. It'll take you straight na the link. Where it take you straight na the link, what thing it'll tell you? The first thing where you see, you see where they say the biggest award or creating a better future together or moving forward together. These are the things you might see on the page. Then after you just scroll count down. When you scroll count down, what you see? The see and say AEA USA 2021 voting session is now open. Then you see that same page there, 20 AEA 2021 voting session now open. That same page there, it is where they say vote now. You click there. When you click there, it'll open. As soon as you click there, it'll open, it'll bring the nominees up for you. So the first nominees where they see, they say best male artist. Not today they go. The second one they say best female artist. Not today they go. The third one, which they say best hip hop or rap artist. Nade Caldenero there. Okay. You scroll count down. If you count, I think Caldenero there number 10. You click and make sure you click that box. Because sometimes if you just put your hand on it, will show yellow. Not to the yellow no more. If you make sure say the tick that correct a day na the box is stamped there. Where you don't see a stamp there, what you next you do? You scroll count down. When you scroll count down, it is usually and they tell you say enter your first name. After you enter your first name, you enter your email address. When you don't enter your email address, you enter the country where the artist will vote for, they or also they come out. As we all know, say Caldenero, now a son of the soil, a son of the soil of Sierra Leone. You understand? When you click that house and say country, choosing country, you see a lot of countries and they come up, then they come up in the shop. Then you go down, click Sierra Leone. Then after you come down, then it is usually and say vote. They click that box usually and say vote. Then you wait a little bit. When you wait a little bit, then you see another page they appear. Now your phone or your laptop where they say thank you for voting. The winner will be announced the day for the award, which means your voting don't submit. There, the link now aeausa.net. Click on. You count down, you see also then say AEAUSA voting AEAUSA 2021 voting session open now. Then inside that same box there, it is say vote now. You click on the nominees in the open. Cow Dinero, a day now the best hip hop or rap artist. Now they day. Not to the first, not to say best female artist, not to say best female artist. Now also say best hip hop or rap artist. Now they Cow Dinero day. A day number 10. A name the number 10. Where you inside there, inside and say best hip hop or rap artist. Number 3, the categories in category 3. Now they day. You click that box. Not click no more for the yellow. Click make you see the tick. Now the tick you for go for. Click make you see the tick. We don't get the tick. Then you scroll down. You choose and they ask you for your first name. You enter your first name. Then they ask you again for your email address. Enter your email address. Then the country where the artist there, when I Sierra Leone, you find out you click on. Then you count down a little bit. Then you choose and say vote. That's for submit your votes now. Final and the final one and the way inside you submit your vote. If you not click vote, it don't work. No officer we don't put we don't click that tick, Cow Dinero. Don't click that tick, that little box. You don't give your first name, you don't give email address, they don't choose the country, you don't done it, not done it. They count down a little bit, they scroll count down a little bit, they choose and say vote, they press that vote. We don't press vote, that's it. Then you vote don't submit. They wait, they show them they say thank you for voting. The winner will be announced the day for the award. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the like button, and I love you all. Bye bye.